Portability, portable cast iron one-burner camp stove, sturdy and durable design, made of cast iron, long-lasting and good for projects. High heat output, fully adjustable heat control regulator knob, power with control. Heavy duty, perfect for brewing, camping, fishing, outdoor cooking, emergency preparedness, etc., strong and long-lasting. Safety heat adjustable regulator included for use with propane tank, hose included for attaching to propane tank, o-ring installed on regulator to ensure that there is no gas leakage. It is possible to tighten by hand, but is advisable to use tools in order to tighten. Steel braided hose, 0 to 20 pounds per square inch adjustable regulator with steel braided hose included to use with propane tank. This high-pressure burner has an industry-leading heat output, giving you the power to cook just about anything on your menu. Our one-burner stove is perfect for camping, fishing, outdoor cooking, emergency preparedness, and more. At GasOne, safety and heat go hand in hand. The burner is accompanied by a 0 to 20 pounds per square inch regulator which controls gas and pressure flow, ensuring a secure experience with your burner. The regulator uses an o-ring to prevent any gas leakage. Top reviews from the United States. Heavy-duty awesome burner will exceed your expectations. This product will exceed your expectations in terms of construction and performance. No-nonsense heavy steel frame and great cast aluminum burner with steel braided hose. I use it to boil corn on the cob and other foods for outdoor cookouts and plan to use it as a turkey fryer in the future. The adjustable air intake shutter is easy to rotate to trim the fuel/air mixture flame to the desired blue flame. I fired the unit up and experimented with the air shutter adjustment at various fuel regulator settings to optimize the flame and let it burn in for about 30 minutes. I then cooked a 12-quart pot of boiling water and corn for about 45 minutes. I started out with a full 20-pound LPG cylinder equipped with a level gauge and the needle barely moved from the full level despite about 1¼ hours of cooking time, very efficient. I read most of the 1-star ratings and can only conclude that these individuals never used any outdoor cooking equipment. I had no unusual odors or soot buildup at all. It is paramount that you properly adjust the air/fuel ratio right from the start to eliminate the unit from burning too rich, resulting in a totally yellow flame which is inefficient and emits unburned hydrocarbons, thereby producing soot. You will not be dissatisfied if you know what you are doing and read the instructions.